Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at Garmin's brand new Venu 4 and putting it head to head with the Venu 3. On the outside, these two smartwatches looks quite similar, but there are some meaningful differences under the hood that could decide whether it's worth upgrading or not. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what's new, what's better, and who should actually consider moving from the Venu 3 to the Venu 4. All the links are in the description, so if you want to check them out for yourself, let's dive in. Design and build. The Venu 3 was already a stylish smartwatch with a metal bezel and a bright AMOLED display. With the Venu 4, Garmin has taken things up to the notch by giving it a full metal case instead of just a bezel accent. This change makes it feel more premium and durable on the wrist. The two size options remains the same, a smaller 41mm and a larger 45mm. So whether you like the compact or a full-size versions before, both are still available. The screen is brighter and easier to see outdoors, which is especially useful for runners and cyclists. What about battery life? Battery life has always been one of the Garmin's selling points compared to Apple's and Samsung watches. The Venu 3 claimed up to 14 days in smartwatch mode, though that usually drop depending on how much you use the always-on display and a GPS. The Venu 4 advertised around 12 days, but in real-world terms it's more consistent, especially when you are using health tracking and notifications throughout the day. Even with the always-on screen, you can get several days out of it, which is still a major advantage over most competitors. Health and wellness tracking. This is where the Venu 4 really starts the distance itself from the Venu 3. With a color older model, you had sleep coaching, nap detections, HRV tracking at night, and a monitoring morning's reports. Those were solid features at the time, but the Venu 4 takes it further with something Garmin calls health status. The feature does not just track your stats, it compares them to your usual baseline. If your heart rate variability drops, your skin temperature rises, or your breathing changes overnight, the watch can flag that to your body. Might be under stress, run down, or even getting sick. So it also introduces lifestyle logging, so you can enter things like caffeine or alcohol intakes and actually see how they affect your sleep and recovery. Sleep tracking has been upgraded to the insights, with insights into how well your rest lines with your natural cardamom rhythm. So what is the fitness and the sport features? The Venu 3 already offered a wide variety of sports profile, from runnings and cycling to strength trainings and even wheelchair activities. The Venu 4 expands on this with more precise GPS. So thanks to dual frequency tracking, which means better accuracy in cities or the wooded areas. It also brings in the full training loaded and a recovery system, giving you a feedback on how hard you are pushing and when you should rest. There's even a mixed session profile, which lets you combine multiple activities in one workout, something athletes will find especially useful. Suggested workouts now cover more than 25 different sports, so it feels much closer to Garmin higher-end Forerunner and the Phoenix series. Smart features and utility. Both the Venu 3 and the Venu 4 have a built-in speakers and microphones, so you can take calls and reply to text when paired with your phone. You also get NFC for Garmin's Pay, music storage, and all the essentials you would expect from the modern smartwatches. But the Venu 4 adds some practical extras. The biggest one is a built-in LED flashlight. Unlike the screen-based flashlight on the Venu 3, this is a proper hardware light that can help on a night run or just finding your way in the dark. The Venu 4 also includes new accessibility tools like spoken watch faces and colored filters for color blindness, making it more inclusive than before. Value and price. Price is when the decision gets a little harder. The Venu 3 launched at a lowest cost while the Venu 4 comes in a higher, putting it closer to the Apple Watch territory. The question is whether the new features like health status, lifestyle logging, and a more advanced sleep tools, dual frequency GPS, and that built-in flashlight are worth the extra money. For someone who already has a Venu 3 and is happy with it. The upgrade might not feel urgent unless you really want the new health insights or improved GPS accuracy. But if you are buying new, the Venu 4 is definitely the more future-proof choice. So what is the verdict? So here's the bottom line: the Venu 3 is still a very capable smartwatch and remains a good option if you found it at a discount. But the Venu 4 is clearly the more advanced device. It is more polished, has a better health and a fitness tracking, has useful lifestyle tools, and feels more premium with its metal case and a brighter screen. The LED flashlight is one of those small but practical features that you will appreciate more than you would expect. If you are serious about health, fitness, and battery life, and you want a smartwatch that bridges the gap between the casual wear and a serious training, the Venu 4 is the better to buy. So that's the full breakdown of the Garmin Venu 4 compared to the Venu 3. Let me know in the comments, would you upgrade or stick with the older model? All the links are in the descriptions, so if you want to check pricing or more details, so you can do it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.